If you don't know, I am Wendy. I write the food blog Around My Family Table. I've been doing it about 10 years. And apparently now that I'm talking, the dog wants to bark. Anyway, so today I thought I would share with y'all my favorite no churn ice cream. And this is super, super simple. It only has 2 ingredients, y'all. 2 ingredients. And it's so easy. It's literally, bag of fruit and coffee creamer. Yeah, I know, super easy. I have Coffee Mate. That's all that we had at the store yesterday, but my favorite is actually the Dunkin' Donuts creamy creamer. It's like the extra creamy stuff. I get stuff that has no flavors. It definitely has sugar. You want the sugar in your coffee creamer. You can do like Coffee Mate, you can do the Dunkin' Donuts, you can do almond, there we go. The almond milk creamers, you could do soy milk creamer, any creamer you want, as long as it has the sugar already in it and you don't want any extra flavors. So even if you're gonna add vanilla, if you decide you wanna add some vanilla to your ice cream, make it a 3 ingredient. I don't like the flavor of the vanilla creamers, so just do it yourself, add a teaspoon of vanilla. It's still super easy. So today I'm actually going to use the Coffee Mate, but I do have some that I've made with the almond milk. So if you're dairy free or vegan, definitely do that. So this is so easy. Like this is gonna go so fast. So make sure you have a heavy duty blender. I love my Vitamix, but any blender that will totally pulverize your fruit and ice cubes will work. So, where's my scissors? So this is a bag of frozen peaches, like I said, frozen peaches, and my creamer. It's frozen peaches, creamer. That is it. So all you do is you dump your peaches into the blender, and I need a measuring cup just to make sure. Give it a good shake, and it's a couple of cups of creamer into here. It should be about half of this container, which was perfect. I made one of these yesterday. And this recipe is on my website. If you go to aroundmyfamilytable.com and search for no churn peach ice cream, this one is on there. And I actually use the Dunkin' Donuts coffee creamer, and it is amazing, y'all. It's so good. I don't know if you can hear me whispering. Anyway, it was amazing. So anyway, here we go. So it's gonna be loud because it's a Vitamix, and it's gonna work through these peaches really fast. Make sure the lid is on really good. And then you're gonna flip it on, let it do its thing. I'm gonna push it down a little bit to keep it running. So plug your ears for just a second, okay? Not quite done. I'm just gonna give it a quick little stir. It's really, really thick. You could almost eat it from this as like soft serve. Sorry, I know that is crazy loud, but it only takes, actually it might be done. Let me do one quick little run through really fast to make sure it's really good, because I don't want any big peach chunks, okay? Oops. Sorry, I know, crazy. All right, so it is really, really thick. Let me show y'all. Put this in the sink. Okay, like look at that. It's so good. This is like soft serve right now, but I like mine thicker and like harder so that I can put it on my ice cream cone. This is like the easiest no churn ice cream. So as long as you, like I said, like as long as you have a really good blender, it doesn't have to be a Vitamix, but Vitamix, Blendtec, I've heard the new Pampered Chef one is really good. So as long as you have a blender that will totally plow through frozen fruit, and I think you're gonna be golden. So let me move this stuff out of the way. Okay, so then I just put it in this is just a regular baking pan that I make like banana bread in. And then, like, look at how thick this is. Like, it's thick. So then I just scoop it in here. You can totally eat it now, like I said. But I want mine hard. All right, the rest of that I'm gonna eat as soon as we're done. So just kind of smooth it in here. Just like make it kind of like a single layer. And there you go. There is the ice cream, and it is perfect. So then I just take this and put it in my freezer for 4 hours overnight, whatever you have time for. So if you want to have it for dinner and you want it hard, then go ahead and make it in the morning, and it'll be perfect for dinner time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer. Okay, let me show you. I made one last night. It's really dark, but it was chocolate covered cherries. So this was just cherries, creamer, and then as I poured it into my pan, I added magic shell so it would be hard and crunchy when I dig through it. It's gonna be delicious. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. I hope it sounds good to you. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me come see maybe if there's any questions that have come up. Let me see. Okay. Awesome. No questions. So anyway, like I said, the full recipe for how to make the peach no churn 2-ingredient ice cream is on my website. Just go to aroundmyfamilytable.com and search for peach ice cream and you will find it. It's delicious. It's easy and I hope you enjoy it. It's perfect for summer. Kids can make it. My daughter made it last night. Well, she helped me. I taught her how to do this one. So now she can totally do it herself. And yeah, I hope y'all are having a great day and staying safe. And let me know if there's something you want me to make, and that way we can do it together. If you have any questions, like I said, please DM me, send me an email, anything like that. That would be great. Anyway, I hope y'all have a great day. And my son's laughing. I don't know if you can hear that. Anyway, have a great day. And if you like what you see here, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up or a like or anything like that to stay connected and find out when I do more recipes and more live videos. So have a great day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.